Hello, this is Miss Lopez, the technology teacher. Today we're going to explore how to use Tumble Math. We go to our browser, and if you don't know how to get here, basically you will go to our school website, navajo.aps.edu, and go to Our School, down to only 2 clicks. Click again, and on the landing page you'll see the main portals, and up here you'll see specified tabs for different grades and different activities. Between book sites and Espanol we have math. Tumble Math is new. We only have this subscription until August 31st. If you would like to continue it during the school year, you would probably either have to buy your own subscription, or if the school decides to renew the subscription, then you won't have to pay anything. So we click on this, and our username is Navajo ES. Our login is Navajo, capital ES, and Navajo is also spelled with a capital. And our password and here we see all kinds of stuff, quizzes and counting, addition, subtraction for whatever grade you're at. Playlists, graphing, division, probability, finance. And not only that, but books, literature that goes along with math. Really great stories that have math themes to them. So let's look at addition. Everybody needs addition. I don't care what age you are. And here we have a book and a quiz. So we click on the book and play.
Sebastian at the circus. Lucky Sebastian Pig. Today he is going to the circus.
Now let's pretend we read the entire story. And we're going to go back and take the quiz. Now I don't want you to do this, what I just did. I want you to read the entire story. But I also think it's important that once you finish that story, to take your quiz. Here you see a couple quizzes. They look pretty much the same. You can click on the first one, take the full quiz or the quick quiz. Last time when we did the reading portion of Tumble Books, we did the full quiz. Let's look what the quick quiz looks like. Find the correct answer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 horses, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 horses. Do you think that answer is 20, 30, 40, or 10? Now, if you can't read this, it will read it for you. This little arrow here will read it for you.
Josh is walking home from school. He lives 15 blocks away and has already walked 8 blocks. How many more blocks does Josh have to walk? 17, 7, 10, 20.
So I know the answer. The answer is 7, but I'm going to go ahead and pick the wrong answer so that we see what it looks like when we get to the end. This one, that's 29. I know that answer. And here's another story problem that it could read it to you, or you can read it yourself. Ashley and Sam love to play basketball. Ashley scored 12 points and Sam scored 20. How many points did they score overall? Overall is a math word. It means altogether when you add 12 and 20. Now, remember I missed one on purpose, and it tells me that I had 4 out of 5, and that's 80%. We want you to get at least 90%. And then if you have a printer at home, you can print the results, or you can do a screen capture if you have a computer. And that's Shift-Command-4. I taught you that this year. And you drag it across the screen. And then you title it. And I would put the name of the book that the quiz was about. Let me look at that book. And that quiz was Sebastian and the Pig. So I could put, so I know I took this quiz already, Sebastian quiz. And that one only had 5 questions. Then you can create a folder by going up here to File, New Folder, and put Quizzes. Math, Quizzes, and drag that in there. Okay, I hope you enjoy Tumble Math, and thanks to our librarian, we have a free subscription until August 31st. See you next time.